Here are the ingredients that you need for you to prepare these muffins. Then the procedure: wash and sanitize your hands, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and in a bowl mix all the dry ingredients. Then in another bowl, beat your eggs, add milk, yogurt, vanilla essence, lemon squeeze, and mix well together. Good thing about the muffins, there's no specific way how you need to mix out these things, so you can just go ahead and mix as long as you ensure that you add your liquid and you get the required consistency in your batter. Then you mix until you get the right mix. By now your batter is ready, so you can prepare your baking tin. In this case, I'll spray my tin, and then this is to avoid any sticking on the muffins on the cook. Then you can scoop if you have a scoop. I don't have a scoop, so I'm just gonna be using a spoon to fill up these muffin slots. Put as much as you can, and then leave some space for them to rise. Then we're gonna be baking our muffins at 180 degrees Celsius. We bake for 18 to 20 minutes. And then our muffins gonna be ready. And see, my muffins are ready and out of the oven. So we'll just take a toothpick and then just insert it, and then it's clean, which means that our muffins are ready and they are cooked. Well, that's the simple recipe that I wanted to share with you guys on how you can make some muffins at home. I hope you loved this video. If you're interested to try out this recipe, I'm gonna leave all the ingredients that I use on the description box below, so you can go and check it out. If you loved this video too, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a very wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye bye.